Hi all, welcome to yet another video on interview questions in Tableau. So in this video, we'll be discussing about an interview question which says how to apply LOD or level of details for computation of percentage of total using pen down. Now let's first see how to calculate percentage of total using pen down by taking the help of quick table calculation. So let's say, for example, if I drag category and subcategory, and I will drag sales to text, and I want to convert that as percent of total. So you have to select quick table calculation and select percentage of total. Now what I will do is I will change it to pen down computation. So I'll select edit table calculation and select pen down. So what pen down will do, it will show the percentage contribution of subcategories with respect to each category. So here, as you can see, if I just add these percentages under furniture category, it is showing me as 100%. So with respect to each category, it is showing us the percentage contribution of sales. But if I use table down, which is by default, then it calculates the percentage contribution of subcategories without caring about the category. So that means it does not care about the upper hierarchy. It calculates only by taking the subcategory into account, which is the lower hierarchy. But if I select pen down, then it will take the upper hierarchy into account and it will calculate the percentage contribution of subcategories with respect to each item in the upper hierarchy. So in this case, the upper hierarchy is category. So this is what we will get if I use pen down. Now let's try to solve it using LOD approach. So first I will drag category and subcategory to rows. Then I will create a calculated field, because for using LOD, we need to create a calculated field. So here I will give the name as percent contribution, percentage contribution of sales, and hyphen pen down. Now the numerator will be the total sales of each subcategory. So I will just write it as sum of sales, because that is the lower hierarchy. So no need to use any LOD over here. Divided by the total sales of each category. So for that, I need to use fixed LOD because category is the upper hierarchy. Now directly if I use sum of sales, it will calculate with respect to the lower hierarchy, which is subcategory. So I will make fixed as category colon sum of sales. So that will give me the total sales for each category. So in the numerator, you will be having the total sales of each subcategory, and in the denominator, you will be having the total sales of each category. Now you can see it is showing an error. If you click on the error, it is showing us cannot mix aggregate and non-aggregate arguments with this function. So in the numerator, we have aggregated value, but in the denominator, it is a non-aggregated value because we've used LOD over here. So now to make it aggregated, we need to use ATTR function. So ATTR, and inside that ATTR function, I will pass that fixed LOD. I'll click on apply and OK. Now I will just drag that to text and I will click on this drop down, format, and convert that to percentage. Now let's compare with the previous sheet. So as you can see, the values are completely same. So in the numerator, it is calculating the sales of each subcategory, and the denominator is taking the sales of each category. Now in this case, for furniture, it will try to find out what is the total sales of furniture in the denominator, and then by taking each sales or each subcategory sales into account, it will calculate the percentage contribution. So if I just add these percentages for furniture, it will show us 100%. So in this way, we can use LOD to calculate percentage of total using pen down approach. So that's it from this video. Thanks everyone.